thing?
That's a thing.
I was just going to say, I didn't know this either.
What?
You do not need to tap on the little radio, then tap on the field that has the frequency. You just type the frequency on the call sign.
I wasted a lot of time this weekend.
Mind blown.
It's the little details, I think, and I'm thinking of, as you're talking about how that applies to PoLo, right? Being able to comma delimit a set of call signs, right? And then send them all at once, and it creates a row for each of those call signs, right? Or add multiple parks at the same time, right? And again, as I type US dash or CA dash, it gives me, the park number. So I'm thinking
you don't
of
need
all
to
those.
type US dash or CA dash.
Oh yeah, okay. See, there we go. Learning something new.
that was actually one of the very first things that made me think, hey, maybe I should make my own logger.
Yep.
Was the fact that many applications, I'm not going to name names, but there were more than one, including the official POTA site.
Sure.
Require you to type US dash and the whole set of numbers in order to search something.
Yep.
In PoLo, I know where you are, or I know where the other
GPS, right?
Or if you're in park to park, I know where the other person is because they gave you the call sign. If they gave you a call sign that starts with kilo, they are in the US. You don't need to type US dash.
I love it.
If they gave you a call sign that starts with
by
DE,
a happy incident too.
And I love having little things like that you don't necessarily need to know. You can use PoLo just fine, typing the entire thing. Yeah. And I don't want to interrupt. I mean, I just interrupted you in the conversation. I don't want to interrupt you.
No, go.
I don't want the app to interrupt you in the middle of operation and say, "Oh, by the way, looks like you're trying to enter a park. Did you know that?" No.
It will let you do it that way if you want to.
But when you discover it, it makes you feel smart.
Yep.
It makes you feel, I'm so smart.
I was so happy. Like, what are you most proud of, I guess, with PoLo?
What makes you squeal when you do it? Like I talked about putting the commas in for the counting line.
I love the shortcut commands you do on the call sign field.
Okay.
Where when I get to a park, I set up my antenna, start trying to find a place to start running. I normally actually look at the spots, find somebody who's operating, try to see if my setup is working by trying to contact another park.
Yep.
Once that's done, I kind of try to find an open spot nearby. And once I do, I just type the frequency on the call sign.
Wait, that's a thing?
That's a thing.
I was just going to say, I didn't know this either.
What?
You do not need to tap on the little radio, then tap on the field that has the frequency. You just type the frequency on the call sign.
I wasted a lot of time this weekend.
Mind blown.
Call sign stacking. I look forward to
yes.
I look forward to playing with that at some point too.
And here's a meta tip. You mentioned it. There's a manual. If you go on the call sign field and you type RTFM, it'll open the manual for you.
That is
so you can go read it.
So that's step one. When you download POTA, don't do anything before typing in.
No. Go use it. Go use it for a week or two before you go into the.
I love it.
Spend time reading the manual because it'll make you feel smarter than if you read the manual before.
We have a friend of ours who's a heavy POTA guy, Jason KI2D, thousands of activations at this point. He's still doing pen and paper, but he's like, I can't handle the pileup doing it in a keyboard, typing it in. That might be the answer. The call sign stacking, if you don't know what it is.
Can you explain call sign stacking? Yeah, thank you. You're going to do it.
I'm on a Pileup and I hear November 8 Juliet. And then as I'm trying to, and I start typing November 8 Juliet, and then I hear Kilo 8 Juliet Kilo Uniform.
Yep.
So you step on top of Jim, but I got the November 8. I didn't get to type the Juliet. I type // and then I type the rest of a call I did here completely. So Kilo 8 Juliet Kilo Uniform. I then say out loud, Kilo 8 Juliet Kilo Uniform, 590 to my park. You confirm, I press send. It puts you in the log, but it keeps November 8 in the call sign field.
That's awesome.
And then I go say, okay, the November 8, go ahead now, which saves me a round of pileup.
Yes. Yes.
Even if I didn't get your full call sign, James, when that happens, like whatever thing I hear, I start typing it. If what I hear belongs to a different voice, I put a //.
Yep.
And in most keyboards, there's no easy slash in the phone. If you type period, it will convert it to a slash for you.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So on Android phones, the period is there. On iPads, the period is there.
Yep.
If you're on an iPhone and you have the virtual number keys that PoLo does for you, there should be a period at the end. If you tap there twice, it'll put you 2 slashes. Or same thing if you're trying to somebody calls you and like it's a mobile or QRP, you can use the period instead of a slash key to enter a slash.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, you know what's funny is I saw the period up there in the special bar that you can turn on, and I didn't know why, and I never questioned it because I was like,
and on that bar, if you start typing a call sign, that period will change to a slash as soon as you type any letters.
Nice.
It's a period as if you typing numbers, it remains a period. If you type one letter, it changes to a slash.
Beautiful. Yeah.
That's excellent question for Sebastian. And I think that if you're listening here, you probably learned something even more about how awesome Ham2K PoLo is here.
So and you don't need to get into the advanced features to enjoy PoLo. Right. When you discover it, it makes you feel smart.
Yep.
And it makes you feel, I'm so smart.
I was so happy.